Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Alrighty, it's a kitchen sink rigatoni. We've got rigatoni. This was all left over in the pantry and in the fridge. These are mussels. These are mushrooms, artichoke hearts, green and black olives. We got some, this is Paul Newman's marinara. I can make a marinara. I've got many recipes on how to make one. You guys can watch that if you want to make your own. Little olive oil, little spices. Oh, Mike Foster here. I love rigatoni. It's one of my favorite pasta shapes. This is something about it I love. And I said I want to kick it up, put a bunch of veggies, a bunch of fun stuff, clean up the pantry, clean up the fridge, and make this kitchen sink killer rigatoni. Check it out. All right, we're going to start off with some olive oil in the pan. This is at medium. We're going to pop those mussels in first. All right, mix those around. It's going to cook for a little while, so we're just going to get it started. Let's add those mushrooms, sweet baboo. All right. Here are these artichoke hearts. Oh yeah, how about some of that juice? Why not? Give the old mixy smixy here. Okay, we're gonna add green olives. And we're gonna add some of these black olives. We're gonna break up some of the black olives. Break them up. Put some whole ones in. That's how you do it. All right, we're gonna put all the tomato sauce in. See this? We're gonna clean the jar out with some agua. Put the cap back on, shake it, clean it out, and it gives you a little extra liquid for this recipe. All right, let's mix this around. I'm gonna bring it to a boil, and then we're gonna simmer while we wait for that pasta to cook. I told you it was simple. Clean out the kitchen sink. All right, to this now we're gonna add some pepper. All right, the sauce has already been seasoned, so you don't need a lot of extra seasoning. But you do need some onion powder. Nice. Of course, garlic powder. Why not? Lovely. Fresh basil is better, but I don't have any, but this will do the job, believe it or not. All right, let's mix that in. Simmer it while that pasta cooks. Waiting for that pasta water to boil, and this baby will be ready. All right, I'll see you in a few. All right, that water's boiling. We're gonna put a little salt in there, which will even make it crazier. Look at that water. Here's that rigatoni. Pour that baby in there. A little olive oil. Some people say no olive oil. I say, that's what I say. Let's get this back to a boil. It's gonna take about 15 minutes. We'll go from there. I told you it was kitchen sink. This is where the purists try to kill me because I'm gonna use this grated cheese, this grated parm. If I had a real parm, I wouldn't be in the kitchen sink. Alrighty, mix that in. This is on a simmer. It's gonna coincide perfectly for when that pasta is ready. When that pasta is ready, I'll serve this up and show you how it works. There's your close-up. Big bite coming up. All right. Oh my God, that's hot. Let's see if it's tasty hot. All right, let's get a bite. This one has some olive. Oh. Just in the background, you can taste some of that mussel if you like that little seafood taste. Oh, that's delicious. Let's try one of these. Mushrooms. Mmm. Gorgeous. There's a big chunk. That's a big chunk. This is delicious. The noodles are perfect. You might want to let it cool off first. But this is killer diller. Every once in a while, clean out what's in your pantry and your refrigerator and make a delicious recipe like this. Boy, is that hot. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 at my socials. Till next time. Peace.
Live life 365.
Notice there's no meat, so that you could call this vegetarian. All right. You can hear the sound of the water boiling on the other side for the rigatonis. We'll get to those in a second. Don't make me say, I'm not kidding. And just saute, we'll let it, don't be stupid. I told you not to be stupid, you moron. Baba. That's the sweet hot boo, as it's so hot. That is hot. I mean, look at that. Look at that. I'll drip just to show you how hot that is. Oh my goodness. Baba. Ah! So hot it's a double baba, baba, baba.